Probably not gonna back here. Not a great. Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to the Super Strike channel. Another ice fishing episode. I'm here at the Broad Indian Reservoir, targeting the trout. End of March. Still a lot of ice. Finally, the sun came out. Yeah, and before it was winter driving condition. Roads were covered with snow and low visibility and pretty much dangerous driving, but now it's okay. I'm ready to fish now. Okay guys, stay tuned. I don't see any fish for 1 hour now. Yeah, usually at least I see 2 or 3 fish every hour. Yeah, but there you go. Finally, I saw the fish. Aw. No, it's not. Oh, there you go, fish. Finally, I got one. That little tiger trout. Okay, let him go. I'm just lucky. Yeah, finally I got one fish, but it's a tiny one, tiny tiger trout. Yeah, but still better than nothing. Yeah, I fishing at the 10 feet depth, but I saw a fish mark in like a 3 feet range, just under the ice. Yeah, so then couple fish mark before I fish here, and also like a fish cruising just underneath of the ice. Some fish are still cruising close to the bottom, and some are at the mid column. So anyway, I try to catch more. Okay. I'm done today. Well, spent the 5 hours and I got only one fish, one little tiger trout. Yeah, I can't complain, still better than nothing. But like 2-3 years ago, ice fishing at this reservoir is excellent. Always catch at least 5 or 6 fish, and it's a lot of bite. I saw many fish on the flasher, but the last year the fish activity was slowing down. This is my first time in this season, actually season end anyway, Yeah, and many people said ice fishing at the Broad Indian Creek Reservoir not that great anymore. Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah, see the fish on the flasher just only a few times, maybe 5 or 6 times for total 5 hours and a couple bites. Yeah, that's it. I don't know. It's someone said because it's too many population of Persian carp. Persian carp is an invasive species here, so illegal stuff fish. They destroyed all of trout habitat. Takes about 2.5 hour drive from my house, but it's worth to come here. But not anymore. Yeah. And, well, it's season end anyway. Maybe I come back at the summertime and wanna take a look at trout fishing. But if not, I just change the target to Persian carp. Persian carp fishing also fun. The catch 100 of Persian carp, that's possible. This reservoir is open all year, but the ice are melting, especially shoreline that's water flooded, and then the top layer is a little bit soft, 2-3 inches of a top layer is really soft. Then also at the bottom of the ice, that it's breaking. When I cut the hole, I saw that I picked some big ice block from the hole. Yeah, to start losing the ice in the bottom layer. It's gonna be dangerous for next couple weeks. So the water quality is getting worse. Not a good for the trout habitat. But I think for the Persian carp, doesn't matter any kind of water quality. Yeah, so they're happy. I hope you helped this video to visiting the Broad Indian Creek Reservoir. Someone have a plan to visit this reservoir. Takes 2 to 3 hours drive and make it disappointed, not a good way. So yeah, disappointed. I can say no good. That's it. Just try catch the Persian carp at the same time. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you at the next episode. Bye.